Hello everyone, Vladimir from Pubky is here, and today I'm gonna show you the Pubky CLI. This is a command line utility for interacting with the Pubky Homeservers. Let's start with the admin API and get information about current home server. To do so, we can simply run Pubky CLI admin info. As you see, we have 0 users, 0 disabled users, and other useful information. Let's continue with the sign up process for new user. To do so, we need to make a recovery phrase. So we can do it using admin CLI tools, generate recovery. We need to specify a password and a recovery file itself. When it's done, we need to generate a sign-up token for the future sign-up process. To do so, we can again use admin API. And use generate token command. Okay, now we have a new sign-up token. Let's check current information about home server using previous command. So we again run Pubky CLI admin info. As you see, we have one sign-up code, one unused sign-up code, and we are ready to continue our sign-up process. For sign-up, we need to run Pubky CLI user sign-up, provide the sign-up code that we have generated in the previous step, provide the home server ID or address. You can get it from home server logs, for instance, and our recovery phrase. Okay, so now the account is registering on the home server side. It takes some time. The registration is done, and now we can validate that everything went smooth. To do so, we can again use admin API info handle. Okay, so we see now that we have one user, one sign-up code, and 0 unused sign-up codes. So let's continue and try to upload some files to the Pubky. Here I have a test file with this content. To upload this file, we can run Pubky CLI user publish. We need to provide path where we want to publish this file. We use pub here that this file will be available to everyone for reading. We provide the name of the file. Then we provide path to our local file, and again the recovery phrase. Okay, so the file has been successfully published, and we can get this file using Pubky CLI user get. We provide the path to that file, and the recovery phrase. Okay, so we see here the file and the content is the same. That's cool. Let's now delete this file. To do so, we can run Pubky CLI user delete. We again need to provide the path to our file on home server and the recovery phrase. Okay, the file has been successfully deleted, and we can validate it using the previous command. So now we are trying to get this file. And we have an error because the file not found. It was deleted by us in the previous step. Okay. Also, I want to show you some more comments related to admin API. This could be useful for disable users and to enable users. We can get our public key and try to disable our user that we created earlier. To do so, we can run Pubky CLI, admin, user, disable, and provide our pubkey. Okay, so now our user was disabled. Let's check it. We again run Pubky CLI, admin, info. Yep, we have one user, one disabled user. So everything is working correctly. Let's try to enable our user back to return our user. To do so, we can simply run Pubky CLI, admin, user, enable, and provide our pubkey. So our user was enabled, and we can validate it again using the Pubky CLI command. As you see, now we have one user and 0 disabled users. That's it. Thanks for watching.